My name is Kira from class 282 Alaska Academy. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a cliff house. This is the materials we need to use to make a cliff house. We need to use the large sticks, the thin sticks, a shoebox, and a foam core. Now, this is how you make a cliff house. First, use the foam core, put many out of the shoebox, and then use the stick to stick under the foam core so it won't fall. Then you use the left out sticks to stick under the foam core so it will be strong. Then use the tape to stick the sticks together so it could be tightly and strong. Then here's the fun part. You will test it out how it are strong enough. And then now I am very happy if my house was strong. I hope if your cliff house isn't perfect, you can use my video to make it again and stronger.